All right, guys, the day has finally come. Now that our car is running and driving just fine, we got that finally dialed in. We can finally open this present from our 40th anniversary visit to Vick Auto. You guys might remember from that video. We got this brand new OEM speedometer. So we're finally gonna open it. We put about 3.5 miles on the new engine, which is what this speedometer has. The odometer reads those 3 miles. So that our engine will actually match what the odometer says. So we are gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look at it. All right, so here we are about to open it up. And again, this is OEM. So this is an original speedometer with the 3 mile reading. And I have never, it's still in the bag. I mean, that's still sealed in the bag, never used. So we're gonna open it up for ours, because it's worthy. I say it's worthy. We've got it out of that packaging, and it's even got the original tag on it, metal twist tied on there. The best part is it's a 140 mile an hour gauge, 3.7 miles on it. Amazing. All brand new parts, brand new pieces. Man, this thing is amazing. I can't wait to get out there and put it on the car.